So, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the most powerful AI tablet Samsung has ever made. Any questions?
Where are those new juniors that did all that great Tab S9 work? Okay, you're on this.
Sounds good.
I totally missed all of that.
Look, you had voice recorder on your Samsung Notes. You can transcribe and summarize the entire meeting.
Huh. Wow.
Also, Dami, Blade, I want you to pitch too.
Dummy Blade.
Yeah.
Both of us?
Oh, pitches due end of day.
End of day? We gotta step up our game, like AI or something.
Check this out. Hey, Steven.
Hello. How is your family?
This isn't AI.
It isn't?
No.
Oh.
This is AI. Galaxy AI Key. What's a good way to showcase a product for a video pitch?
Try to create a narrative around your product.
What if we take Smart Select? Once you select something with the S Pen, it predicts what you want to do next.
The S Pen is kind of like a magic wand. Everything he points his S Pen at is ready to be sent to related apps, including Samsung Notes, automatically. No more searching.
What are they doing in there?
No idea. You thinking what I'm thinking?
I'll grab the ladder. Wow, that's really complicated. We don't have all that equipment.
Well, with this powerful AI tablet, we can do it all. Look at this. Sketch to image. I can turn my sketch into a masterpiece in seconds.
Nice.
Yep, and with these optimized apps, I'm a bit of a wizard myself.
We should probably show the product, right?
Yeah, product being held by a wizard.
We should get out of here.
Ooh. You guys ready?
Sure.
Great.
Right, next.
With AI, Samsung is changing the way we use tablets.
Guys, our client has a question.
Wo ist die deutsche Version?
The German guy Pierre, translate the document, quick.
Not a problem. Just like that.
Nicely done. Introducing the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, the most powerful AI tablet Samsung has ever made.
Transcribe and summarize notes instantly. Access AI with one click. Find apps without searching. Turn a sketch into a masterpiece. Even use pro-level apps. It's magic. Kind of like a wizard.
It's everything you need to be productive on just one Tab S10.
The new Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra.
Galaxy AI is here.
Great pitch, fellas. We'd like you to run the Galaxy Tab account.
Sweet. We did it again.
Woo!